Vending machines in Japan are extremely popular and can be found nearly everywhere, from city streets to rural areas. Japanese vending machines offer a wide range of products, including beverages like soda, coffee, tea, and water, as well as snacks, cigarettes, alcohol, instant noodles, ice cream, fresh fruit, and even hot meals. Some machines also sell everyday items like umbrellas, batteries, and toiletries. One of the reasons vending machines are so popular in Japan is their convenience and accessibility. They operate 24/7, allowing people to purchase items at any time of the day or night. They are also easily accessible, with many machines located on streets, in train stations, shopping centers, and even in residential areas. Most vending machines in Japan accept only cash, usually in the form of coins or bills. It's important to have enough change when using vending machines, as they typically do not provide change. However, some newer machines are equipped with IC card readers, allowing people to make payments via their transportation IC cards. Japanese vending machines are known for offering high quality and often unique products. For example, you may find vending machines that sell freshly squeezed fruit juice or specialty coffees. Some machines even dispense popular manga or anime merchandise, toys, and collectibles. Japan has strict regulations regarding vending machines, especially when it comes to selling alcohol and cigarettes. Alcohol vending machines are typically installed indoors in restricted areas, such as bars or liquor stores, and require age verification. Cigarette vending machines usually require a valid ID card or the use of a dedicated IC card. Vending machines in Japan are generally well maintained and safe to use. They are regularly inspected and stocked by operators to ensure the products are fresh and the machines are functioning properly. The convenience of vending machines in Japan is a result of the country's low crime rate. Machines are rarely vandalized or stolen, allowing them to be placed almost anywhere without the need for heavy security measures. Japan has the highest number of vending machines per capita in the world, with over 5.5 million machines across the country. In recent years, Japan has been implementing environmentally friendly initiatives for vending machines. Many machines have energy-saving features, LED lighting, and some even have solar panels installed on the top to power the machines. Overall, vending machines in Japan are an integral part of the country's culture, offering convenience, variety, and accessibility for a wide range of products. Vending machines in Japan and also become a tourist attraction. Visitors often take photos of unique vending machines they encounter during their trip to Japan.